Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to trade options on Robinhood with a small account. Trading options can be a great way to diversify your portfolio and potentially earn higher returns. But it requires a solid understanding of the basics and a well-thought-out strategy. First, it is essential to understand what options are. Options are contracts that give the buyer the right, but not the obligation, to buy or sell an underlying asset at a predetermined price, known as the strike price, before a certain date, known as the expiration date. To get started with trading options on Robinhood, you need to have a Robinhood account and apply for options trading. This involves filling out a questionnaire to assess your knowledge and experience with options trading. Once approved, you can start trading options. When trading options with a small account, it is crucial to manage your risk effectively. This means setting a budget for your options trading and sticking to it. A good rule of thumb is to allocate no more than 5% of your account balance to a single trade. There are two main types of options: calls and puts. A call option gives the buyer the right to buy the underlying asset, while a put option gives the buyer the right to sell the underlying asset. You can buy calls or puts, or sell them to other traders. One popular options trading strategy for small accounts is the covered call. This involves buying a stock and selling a call option on that stock. This strategy can help you generate income from your existing stock holdings and potentially reduce your overall risk. Another strategy is the cash-secured put. This involves selling a put option on a stock you are willing to own, and using the premium you receive from the sale to buy the stock if it falls to the strike price. This strategy can help you buy stocks at a lower price and potentially earn a higher return. When trading options, it is essential to understand the concept of time decay. Options lose value over time, so it is crucial to have a plan for managing your options positions as they approach expiration. Finally, it is essential to stay informed and up to date with market news and trends. This will help you make more informed trading decisions and potentially avoid significant losses. In conclusion, trading options on Robinhood with a small account requires a solid understanding of the basics, a well-thought-out strategy, and effective risk management. By following these steps and staying informed, you can potentially earn higher returns and diversify your portfolio. Remember to always manage your risk, set a budget, and have a plan for managing your options positions.